Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing my new releases for this week. I do have 4 kits that I am really excited to share with you guys, including a fall kit because I'm slowly starting to transition into fall kits, which makes me so excited. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the first kit. Up first, we have this kit, which is called Lavender and Honey, and I love this artwork. I love these colors, like this lilac with this peach yellow and like this very blush nude pink. This kit for me like reminds me of August, so I probably will be using it like end of summer. I love these kind of colors, like to transition into like soft fall, what I like to call it. And the artwork had a lot of honey and lemon references, but I kind of leaned into like the bee side of it with the foil, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I love these little bees that I used, and I love this full box with like her little hair bow. And yeah, I thought it was just a really good kit for August. So here are your half boxes and then your decorative boxes, checkbox page, your sidebar, and then here's your weekend with some headers and a little bit of deco. The bottom washi, which I absolutely love how this turned out. I went ahead and add some foiling elements with like the honeycombs, like the little leaves and the bees, and I really do enjoy how that turned out. And then we have the deco page, which is my favorite to like put together in all the kits. I just have a lot of fun with these. I ended up doing 2 scenes here, and I love like the honeycomb on this arch. But yeah, I love this. And then for your add-ons, we have your quarter boxes, and then we have the icon sheet. So yeah, that is Lavender and Honey. Up next, we have this kit, which I named Summer Picnic, and I love how this turned out. It is a brighter kit, so it's bright, but I love the colors for summer. And the florals that I chose to go with the kit is something like I really enjoyed working with. I love these sunflowers, and I love the contrast of yellow and lilac. So it's definitely a fun kit. I feel like when you're designing for summer and you're using a lot of florals, it's very hard not to lean into it like looking spring. So it's definitely a kit that I see myself I would use for spring or summer, but I love this kit. So here are your half boxes, and then your decorative boxes, checklists, your sidebar page, weekend with a little bit of deco, the bottom washi, which I like. This is my favorite part of the kit. I love that I use like the gingham pattern, and I love like the little butterflies in the washi. It's definitely, I don't know, I just really love how this kit turned out. And then here is your deco. I am trying to like use more smaller flowers, and I'm trying to find a balance between like a larger deco and like flowers, because that's just the way I like to plan. I don't know if people just want all flowers or if you want that. I feel like there's so many add-ons already, but I love how this turned out. I'm very excited to plan with this kit. For your add-ons for this kit, as usual, we have your quarter boxes and then the icons. So yeah, that is Summer Picnic. This kit is definitely one of my favorites for this week. It's between this one and the fall one, but I love this kit so much. I wanted like a ice cream. Well, honestly, when I picked this artwork, at first I was like, I want to do like a birthday like themed kit, but it just slowly turned into just ice cream, and I just kind of ran with that. I actually worked on this with my daughter, which that's a lot of fun because summer is here. She's been staying up late with me, my oldest, and we worked really hard together to come up with the designs, and it was a lot of fun doing that with her and like sharing the process. Anyway, me and her debated whether gold or rose gold would look better with this kit. We foiled it in both finishings, and I even put up a poll on Instagram, and it was 50-50. I love both of them. I feel like I couldn't choose, so I do have both in the shop. I have like a separate listing for gold and a separate listing for rose gold, and with the quarter boxes and icons, you can choose which finishing you want in the same listing, but I couldn't fit that all into one. It would have been too many choices. So I just did 2 separate listings. So this one is in gold, and this quote box says Sunday bar, scoop, sprinkle, enjoy. And this one says all you need is love and ice cream. And then this is rose gold. So definitely both very pretty. And I know I couldn't make up my mind, so I'm offering both. But I foiled the rest of the kit in gold. If you hear my dog barking, I apologize. But here are your half boxes. And then love this page, the decorative boxes. And again, the same format. But I love like all these peaches together. I think it came out so cute. Here is the bottom washi. And then here is the deco page, which I love this. I've been really enjoying using like scraps of paper, like torn up piece of paper in my spread. So I've definitely been including more of that in the deco page. But yeah, that is the deco. And then for the add-ons, we have your quarter boxes. Sorry, I'm like not even centered. And then the icons. And that is peach sorbet. Last but not least, we have my first fall kit of this year, and I named this one Autumn. I absolutely love how this came out. Again, this is one of these kits where I really, really love the florals that I chose. I just feel like it gives it a softer vibe, and I love this. And then you have like this full box that just says a whole bunch of things associated with fall, and I'm so excited for fall season. So there are your full boxes, and then we have half boxes, your decorative boxes, checklist. I love like how soft this kit is, especially for me. I've been designing a lot of pastel kits, so it was definitely like a breath of fresh air to do something a little bit more calming. Here are the weekend or the weekend page, the bottom washi, which I love. And then here is the decorative, or like the deco. I love this so much. I'm so excited for fall. And then for the add-ons, we have your quarter boxes and then your icon page. And that is Autumn. All right, so these are all the new releases that I had for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.